How to activate JCPenney credit card account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate JCPenney credit card account. For this, open up any web browser and search for Activate JCPenney credit card. Then you want to click on the very first search result. Once you click on this option, another web page is going to appear. Now here you can very easily activate your JCPenney card. For this, you will have to enter your card number. After you have entered the card number, the next step is to enter the security code. Once you have entered the 3-digit security code, next you want to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now click on the Activate My Card option. Now, if all the details you have entered is accurate, you will be prompted to the next step. Just follow the on-screen prompts and provide any other additional details if necessary. After that, your credit card will be successfully activated. You will receive a confirmation that your card has been successfully activated. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the JCPenney customer service for assistance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.